Patenting innovations in 3D printing food production. 3D printing in food production creates food layer by layer, enabling custom shapes, textures, and flavors, while enhancing creativity, efficiency, and personalization. Key areas for patent protection include unique food formulations, methods for depositing and shaping food materials, and innovations in 3D printers designed for food production. Build a strong patent portfolio by focusing on unique formulations and techniques, prioritizing core technologies, securing global patents, monitoring competitors, and collaborating with experts. Challenges in patenting 3D printed food innovations include defining novelty, keeping up with rapid tech advancements, navigating regulatory barriers, and managing a complex IP landscape. The future of 3D printing in food production includes new sustainable materials, customizable nutrition, AI-driven printers, a focus on sustainability, and increasing use in various settings. For more information, contact us at patentpc.com, email info@patent.com, or call